If you're getting into day trading, you might have heard of Trade Ideas, a platform that helps spot stock ideas using real-time data and automation. It uses AI to scan the market and gives alerts when something is moving, like big volume spikes or sudden price jumps. It's great if you want to find opportunities fast without missing action across thousands of stocks. One big plus, it helps take some of the guesswork out of what to watch during the trading day. But here's the deal. Trade Ideas isn't for everyone. If you're just investing long-term or don't trade much, you probably won't need all the features. And compared to platforms like thinkorswim or TradingView, it can feel a bit more niche and pricey if you're just starting out. So, is it worth it? If you're actively day trading and want help finding setups, yes, it can be super useful. But if you're casual or just learning, you might be better off starting with something free or simpler. Let me know if you use Trade Ideas, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.